I am Praveen Kumar Dhankar. Welcome all of you on my YouTube channel Knowledge Junction. Do like, share and subscribe for latest videos. Today we are learning numbering equation in LATEX. LATEX, as you all know, which is a scientific writing software. Learning objective: how to put equation numbers, how to remove them, how to correctly reference equations, how to use the information on the web. System required: works on any type of this system, Ubuntu, Windows and Mac. Tech work and LATEX can use without text work. Other Linux system is okay with it. Prerequisite for this, you have to know a tutorial about introduction of LATEX, exposed to side-by-side tutorial. All these material available to praveendhankar.wordpress.com. You can easily download. I shall use the following file, like for this tutorial: numbers.txt, xprimer 1.0.pdf from tug. These are available as code file along with this tutorial. So you need these to practice with me. If you cannot locate, you can find them with this website. So we are coming to numbering equations. So I have already opened my file numbers.txt, and I started my command with /document class and have 12 point size, font size, and class is article. /use package, geometry package, I put text width is 8 centimeter, and /use AMS maths, because we are doing mathematics, how we giving numbers to the mathematical equations. So start with /document, /begin document, and then you have to write. And once you start with /begin document, your last command will be /end document. So as I write something in text, the usual Friedman equation is this, and I given equation /begin equation array, and then end with /end equation array, and this is my equation. So you can have a look in the right side of output of this equation. This is the equation which is numbered as equation number 1, and something I write in terms of row, so which can be as equation number 2. So easily, if you put your command in this, if put your equation in this command /begin equation array and /end equation array, then it will automatically number will be changes. Like if I copy it and then paste, easily then paste, so and then run, so you can have a look that equation comes as 3rd. We have now equation 1 and 2, so the automatic, yes, you can see this is the equation number 3rd. So easily the equation it comes equation number with the sequence by this command. If you don't want to give any equation number, so you can have once you can, like, you put doubles dollar sign and put this equation, again this equation inside this, and then run your code, then you feel this is the same equation but without number. So sometime it happens you need equation without number and you need equation with number, so easily you can give, right? And another way of writing an equation without number is slash begin align and then you make star is the command, and the same command ended with slash and align star. So inside this you can make a function that matrix as a equation based on mostly on metric, and easily you can have a look. This is also a metric, this the column matrix, this is 3 cross 3 matrix, it's again column matrix, though the equation represented in this metric form. So very easily you can, if you want to mark this equation, so you put on this command. If you don't want, then you can, like in the alignment, right? So and then at the end you have to be close with all your document with slash end document. So you, if you can have a look in this TexSprimer PDF file, and here chapter tutorial number 8, so you can have all this mathematical aspect, and you can go through all the example and try. It is my suggestion that once you try all, so you get expertise in this any kind of equation you find, then you will be easily write them. So you can see double dollar, and then equation is x to the power n plus y to the power n equal to z to the power n. So easily this is the equation which can be written in the form. So once you easily go through this chapter, then you get to know how I can deal with this type of equations, and this will be a good assignment for you to doing things in parallel, so which is very good for you. So let come, what did we learn? Create equation using align, as you know. Remove equation number with no num also a command. It was also like I told you in the last video that you can use equation with no num. Automatic numbering with label and reference. Use information from stock exchange and this PDF file, LATEX primer. So anything, if you anytime any command if you get stuck, then you can Google it, stock exchange, which is also good platform for LATEX. So recall all of the above assignment. Then question on referencing, compile twice for correct numbering. Why should we compile twice? Hint, if we saw this is an earlier tutorial, you can also locate an answer for this and TexSprimer PDF file. Search for cross references. Try command from LTRX. Try some example from chapter number 8th, as I told you, from the PDF file. Try to understand them. Try more multiple line example from the stock exchange web page we have showed. Then watch this, watch the video available at this address praveendhankar.wordpress.com. So if you don't have a good bandwidth, you can download and then easily watch it in your free time and do practicing with this wonderful software. So thank you very much for being with me in this scientific journey of learning and doing LATEX, which is a scientific writing software. So thank you very much.